Morning students. Now I am going to explain about the architecture of a model airport. Now you are seeing the international airport where all different country aircrafts will be received and seeing off. Next we are seeing a domestic terminal. Here only our national flights will be received and seeing off. And we are seeing a parking area. This is the only terminal where we receive a national flights, regional flights for boarding and seeing out. Everywhere will be controlled from here only for the regional aircrafts. And here we are finding a runways. Normally in the airports you will find main runway and standby runway. And we are finding a equipment called localizer. They all guide the pilots without physically seeing the location, airport. With the help of an instrument, they guide the pilots to land the aircraft. Normally we call it as an instrument landing system. And we are seeing some radar equipments. This is localizer number 2. Based on the number of runways, we have that many number of instrument landing systems. Here we are finding a air traffic control 3. From here only all aircraft movements will be controlled. And we are seeing a flying club where only the pilots will get trained, and here you will find all small aircrafts. We call it as a training establishment. This is a flight training establishment where the pilots get trained. Normally you will find as all small aircrafts. And they also got a ground support bay where they position the ladders, static trolleys, everything. Now we are seeing a fire and rescue bay. Whenever there is an emergency, from here only the ATC will inform to this crash bay crews, then accordingly they will act with the crash tender, fire tender. Now we are seeing a VOR DME transmitter. These are all navigation aids. Help the pilots to locate the airfield. This is one of the runways. And we are finding a approach radar. This is also one type of radar which guides the pilots in case of weather problems. With the help of this radar, the controllers on the ground will help to land the pilots. Next we are finding a maintenance stores. There are only all spares, tools and all will be maintained. Now we are seeing a MRO, maintenance repair organization, where the planned or pre-planned maintenance will be carried out. Scheduled maintenance will be carried out. And this establishment also will have a ground supporting bay where they maintain a starting trolleys, all ladders, everything will be maintained in the ground supporting bay. This is a maintenance repair and organization where you can find different types of aircrafts. They are parked for periodic maintenance. You can see different types of aircrafts for the repair and periodic servicing. And you are finding a taxi tracks. Through taxi track only, the aircrafts will go to the main runway. Ground support bay, as I said, all ground equipments like ladders. Here, flight refueling section is the main section. From there only the vehicles will bring the fuel for the aircraft. That is ATF, airtime and fuel. Then we are coming to the destination, that is your international terminal. These are parking areas.